Hi, my name's Tommy. I work at Bluewater Photo. I just want to show you a little bit about the 45-degree CNC enhanced viewfinder. There's a couple nice features about it. The fact that it's a 45-degree angle allows you to shoot both wide angle and macro. You can really get down and close to your subjects this way. The fact that it enhances your view of the viewfinder itself also helps with composition. You don't necessarily have to smash your mask up against the camera housing when taking a photo. Other than that, I think it's a great added feature to your housing, and I'd like to show you how it's installed. So when installing the viewfinder on the CNC housing, you're going to need to first remove the viewfinder that currently is attached to the housing. It's actually quite simple, and you don't really need any tools even. So just take your hands, unscrew the inside part of the viewfinder and remove that. Then you'll see in the viewfinder that you purchased, there's a tool that looks like this, and that will fit into the two grooves here, and then you can loosen that up, put this down, and unscrew the inner ring. Remove the inner ring, and then you can flip over the housing and pull out the viewfinder. So now when installing the 45-degree viewfinder, you have an empty viewfinder hole, the viewfinder itself, and the tool that's included. What you're going to first do is remove the cap, take off the internal ring, and then once you've done that, you'll install the viewfinder from the back of the housing. There's two little holes where you want to make sure that these little clips are installed into. Once they're in place, you can see that it fits perfectly snug to the housing. You can turn over the housing and now install the locking ring. So what I like to do is hand tighten it until I really can't turn it anymore. Take the tool and give it one last turn, just so it's hand tight. And there you go. Now you have a 45-degree viewfinder installed to the housing. So now that you have a better look at the CNC 45-degree enhanced viewfinder, please reach out to us if you have any questions, or check out our website at bluewaterphotostore.com. And thank you for watching.